Hello, my name is Edward Araujo from El Paso, Texas. I just wanted to take a few minutes to tell you, as a small business owner and having owned small businesses in the past, it was always a challenge getting funding, financing. It would never allow us to grow. Trying to bootstrap these different businesses, we were always limited by the money. And going to banks, trying to get loans, you have to be perfect to be able to get a loan, and we were never able to do that. So we were never able to grow as much as we wanted until we found this option, and it's already made a huge difference. I mean, you're talking about from the very beginning, making sure we were set up right, all the way through getting our trade lines, getting our revolving credit, and now we're looking at getting some funding. I cannot tell you how excited, how happy I am that we found the solution. If I would have found this years ago, who knows where our business could have been right now. If you're having any doubts, don't. I can guarantee you it works. It's awesome. You will be more than satisfied, and your investment will be well worth it. The only problem you're going to have is that you did not find this soon.